Hello and good morning, children. I hope all are fine. In last period, what we have studied? Yes, we have studied about the game Be Quick. Today we are going to learn Unit 3, poem number 1, Bow Wow. Listen, repeat and sing. Bow wow, says the dog. Meow meow, says the cat. Grunt grunt, says the hawk, and squeak goes the rat. Too woo, says the owl. Caw caw, says the crow. Quack quack, says the duck. And what cuckoo say you know? And what cuckoo say you know? So children, who says bow wow, bow wow? Dog. Bow bow, bow bow? Dog. Who says meow meow, meow meow? Meow, meow. Cat. Who says grunt grunt, grunt grunt? Hog. Children, do you know what is a hog? Hog is a domesticated male pig. Who says squeak 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 squeak? Rat. Who says too woo, too woo? Owl. Who says cow 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 cow? Crow. Who says quack 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 quack? Duck. And what cuckoo say you know? Do you know, children? Coo, coo. Bow bow, bow bow. Dog. Bow bow, bow bow. Dog. Meow, meow. Cat. Meow, meow. Cat. Grunt, grunt. Hog. Grunt, grunt. Hog. Squeak, 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 squeak. Rat. Squeak, 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 squeak. Rat. Too, too. Owl. Too, too. Owl. Cow, 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 cow. Crow. Cow, 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 cow. Crow. Quack, 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 quack. Duck. Quack, 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 quack. Duck. What do you mean by bow wow? Children, it's the sound of dog. As we all are talking in our language, we express our feelings. We talk with each other. But animals do not know how to talk in words. So animals have their own language. So animals have their own sounds. One more time we will repeat. Bow wow. Bow wow, says the dog. Meow meow, says the cat. Grunt grunt, says the hog. And squeak goes the rat. Too woo, says the owl. Cow cow, says the crow. Quack quack, says the duck. And what cuckoo say you know? And what cuckoo say you know? One more time repeat. Bow wow. Bow wow, says the dog. Meow meow, says the cat. Grunt grunt, says the hog. And squeak goes the rat. Too woo, says the owl. Cow cow, says the crow. Quack quack, says the duck. And what cuckoo say you know? And what cuckoo say you know? Children, there are some rhyming words in the poem. Let us find it out. Dog, hog. Cat, rat. Crow, no. Now, we will see some animals and their sounds. Dog, bow bow, bow bow. Cat, meow, meow. Hog, grunt, 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 grunt. Rat, squeak, 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 squeak. Owl, too, too. Crow, cow, 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 cow. Duck, quack, 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 quack. Now children, I'm going to ask you some questions. Who says grunt, grunt? Hog. Who says bow, 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 bow? Dog. Who says meow, 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 meow? Cat. Children, now we will learn some more sounds of few more animals. Horse, mee. Horse, mee. Goat, bleats. Goat, bleats. Donkey, brays. Donkey, brays. Sheep, baba, ba. Sheep, baba. Children, have you learnt the rhyme? Baba Black Sheep? Yes. Tiger roars. Tiger roars. Oh. Zebra whistle. Zebra whistle. Peacock scream. Peacock scream. Frog croak croak. Frog croak croak. So now you all understood how different animals make different sounds. So bye. Thank you children. Take care. Hello. Good morning children. I hope all are at home and safe. In last period, you have studied about sounds of animals. Wow wow, meow, meow. Tell me children, have you visited zoo? What have you seen in zoo? Yes, animals. So now we are going to learn Unit 3, Lesson number 2, Jungle Safari. Jungle means forest. And who lives in a forest? Yes, different animals. Safari. Safari means a trip to visit in jungle. In this lesson, we are going to learn the names of different animals. Let's start lesson number 2, Jungle Safari. But before that, we are going to read the names of animals. So be ready with your textbook, page number 24. Look at the pictures for a minute. Close the book and tell the names of the animals. Deer, elephant, monkey, bear, ant, housefly, honeybee, butterfly, camel, tortoise, snake, peacock, squirrel, rabbit, tiger, and last one is lion. So, now we will play a game. Now look at the pictures for a minute. Again close your book. Tell me some names of the animals. Yes, children? I will count till 10. So ready? Tick tick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think you have seen it very carefully. Now we will see which animals are there in the picture. Which I remember are, I will tell some names of animals in the picture. Elephant, butterfly, rabbit, snake, ant, camel, monkey, lion, and peacock. Now let us read more about animals. So children, I have told you. Now again, we will read the names of the animals from the textbook. Look at your textbook. Page number 24. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Deer is a wild animal and likes to eat grass. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. It is grey in color and huge animal and have long trunk. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. It jumps from tree to tree. Monkey likes to eat bananas. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. It is also found in jungle and it likes to eat honey and fish. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. Ant is an insect. Have you seen ants? There are two types of ants. Red ants and black ants. We find ants at our house. Housefly. 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 It is an insect. We find houseflies near garbage and around sweets. Honeybee. 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 It is an insect. Honeybee stays in a comb and it collects honey from the flower and it goes and stores in its honeycomb. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. It is an insect. We find butterfly in garden. It is of various colors. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. It is domestic animal. It lives in desert. Do you know the meaning of desert? A large dry region with less water. It is covered with hot sand. People in desert areas use camel to move from one place to another. So camel is called the ship of the desert. Tortoise. 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 It is a reptile. It stays on land as well as in water. Snake. 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 It is a reptile. It is very dangerous. It crawls on the ground. It has no legs. Peacock. 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 Peacock is our national bird and it likes to dance in the rain. Squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel is found on trees. It is brown in color and it eats nuts. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit is very clever animal and white in color and likes to eat carrots. Tiger. 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 Tiger is our national animal. It has black stripes on its body and eat other small animals. Lion. 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 Lion is the king of jungle. It lives in a den. So children, I hope you understand the whole lesson Jungle Safari. So do wear mask and be at home safe. Bye children. Thank you.